Bismillahi alhamdulillahi wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah Muhammad ibn Abdullah wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa man wala wa ba'd. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Greetings from Adisco Farm International. As we all know, this is the home of livestock where we enlighten ourselves about livestock ranging from goats, cattle, camel, and sheep. So today we'll be discussing about air tag, how you apply your air tag to your goats, and what are the things you're supposed to do after applying the air tag in order for the goat to be in good condition. Because air tag is just like a pin that you are stapling into the ears. So now, as you can see, this is what the ear tag looks like. So this ear tag contains numbers from number 1 to 100, or more than that if you request for the customized one. So, and this is the applicator. So if you are applying the ear tag using the applicator, you need to be careful. Because goats here are different from the cattle's ears. Cattle's ears are bigger and wider. So when you are using this applicator in the cattle's ears or cow's ears, so it is more easier because their ears are more lighter and bigger. So the space in between the module of the cow's ears is wide, so you can easily apply without being affecting their module. But on the other hand, goats' ears are smaller, especially the local breed, and the module are the space in between the modules are little, not that wide. So you need to be careful in order not to staple the the module together, because if you staple the module together, now there is a problem. So that's how it goes. So as you can see, we have done all these animals. Yes, we have numbered them, we have put the ear tag there. So what you will be doing after the ear tag or before the ear tag, so you need to clean their hair. Maybe after you have done it twice or once. So you can use spirits using cotton wool to clean the area where you staple the distance, because there might be wound, because it is pain and a little blood might come out of it. So you'll be using the spirits to clean. Then you can use the spray for wound. So this spray allows it to dry up very quick and prevent them from getting any infection. So it allows the animal to get cured from infection after the ear tag has been applied. So as you all know, we know the benefits of this ear tag is it just allows you to know the particular number of the animals in your farm, and whether one is missing, you get to know very quick, and you know the numbers of females you have, the number of males you have, and to avoid inbreeding, ear tag is very important. So that is what we are going to be doing today. We are going to be cleaning our animals, goats' ears, in order to avoid infection. So Don't forget, you can get this ear tag from us in different colors that you want, and the applicator tool is also available. So I think that will be all for now. Till we meet another time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.